Check out this 2008 Toyota Tundra 4WD truck. This Tundra 4WD truck has just under 67,000 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 17 on the highway. This Tundra 4WD truck boasts a 5.7-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power steering, CD player, air conditioning, driver airbag and overhead console. Call 877-705-3247 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.